Yes, this is automatic sliding gate installed by VPSI Limited, located in Port Harcourt. We service anywhere in Nigeria, nationwide. Call us and we'll do your sliding gate to be automatic. We do both sliding gate and swing gate. Now let's close it. It's closing, moving so smoothly. This gate is very big and has weight. Gate. This is the second gate, installed by VPSI Limited. You can see how swiftly and smoothly it's moving. So thank you.